guys, welcome to a new video. If you're new here, I'm April. I'm a skincare cosmetic chemist and I talk about all things skincare, back end, front end of all things skincare. So if you're interested in that, definitely hit that like button for me down below. Subscribe to this channel because we're here every week, every single week, talking about skincare. Alright you guys, so this video is going to be a real video. You guys have been asking me for a really simple skincare routine and I've always said that I was going to do one. I'm talking simple as in like less than 4 steps. So that's literally how simple today's skincare routine will be, because I know it's not practical to have a 7-step skincare routine all the time. It's just, we're busy, you know, we're most Americans working 9 to 5, and how realistic is it that you're actually going to do all of these steps in the skincare routine that's sustainable, you know, because the goal in this channel is something that's sustainable. Nothing wrong with a 7-step skincare routine. I love it. Sometimes when I have time, especially on the weekends, you will find me doing that. But to be realistic, I know it's not always easy to do. And also, like, everyday activities just add up to stressed skin, which is why I'm partnering with Clean & Clear for today's video. The new Clean & Clear Aloe Vera line is designed to be gentle and effective for sensitive, stressed out skin to help prevent unwanted breakouts and acne. Growing up, Clean & Clear literally made some of the only products that my skin did not react adversely to, and just the fact that they now have aloe in their new line just speaks to me in a whole different level. By the way, side note, Queen Nefertiti of Egypt attributed aloe to her youthfulness. So aloe has a long legacy of trust for its healing and nurturing health benefits. So what is this easy skincare routine, you might ask? First thing I do is to wash my face with the new Clean & Clear Aloe Vera Acne-Prone Gentle Cleanser. This new formulation helps to mitigate or prevent acne from forming. It's oil-free, contains gentle surfactants like cocamidopropyl hydroxysultane, and don't be afraid of that name, it just means it's a really gentle surfactant. It also has nourishing humectants and emollients to keep your skin calm, clear, and stress-free, which makes this new formulation perfect for stressed skin, sensitive, combination, and acne-prone skin types, because it absolutely leaves the skin feeling soothed and moisturized. Okay, so the next step is my benzoyl peroxide treatment, and for that I'll be using the new Persa gel 10% benzoyl peroxide acne medication maximum strength. So this is the #1 recommended acne treatment by pharmacists. You can use this one in the AM or PM. I prefer to use mine in the AM. So I use a very thin layer on all the affected areas. You can use up to 3 times a day, but I suggest honestly starting low and then work your way up and just watch how your skin reacts to BPO, because BPO could be irritating to some people. Or of course, you're going to finish up with the moisturizer, or if it's in the AM, use a sunscreen, of course, to prevent those sun rays from hurting your skin. And ta-da! You're done! Easy peasy, you guys. I told y'all that skincare does not have to be hard. It really doesn't. It really does not have to be hard, and I know this one is for all you guys that literally want to get out of the door, which is justifiable. I feel the same way. And also, if you're traveling, sometimes you just don't want to take all the extra stuff, you know, in your luggage with you. This is a really, really easy way for you to get out the door and go about your day. So both the cleanser and the benzoyl peroxide gel are both available at Target, Walmart, and Walgreens. I'll leave a link to shop the products in the description box below. All of the products are 100% vegan, not animal tested, hypoallergenic, free of parabens, dyes, and sulfates, which makes it perfect for sensitive and acne-prone skin types. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you found this video valuable. I can't wait for you guys to try these products, and when you do, don't forget to leave your thoughts below in the comment section, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye!
To say